Hello, namaste everyone, and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's day 21 of 22 of our consistency, and we are together for the last 21 days. So we are here to solve the DEC question, and we are solving this question on the LeetCode platform. Now continue with the today's question. So today I took a question from a LeetCode. The question number is 1051, and it titled as a height checker. Okay, so first of all we have to develop a kind of intuition, as told in my last videos. In my each video and every video that we have to develop a quiet intuition from the title of a question. So height checker is what? So maybe we have to check or compare the numbers, because height is a numerical, so we have to compare numericals. This is what the height checker will be do. I think so then. Okay, so I had developed my intuition that we have to perform a kind of uh, comparison kind. So the main reason that why I am saying that always develop an intuition, because you have to make ready your brain that we have to do this operation next. So your brain will start processing before you reach to the question. Okay, now what is it is an easy level of question. Okay, now easy level of question. Now continue the description that a school is trying to take an annual photo of the all students. The students are asked to stand in a single line, in non-decreasing order by heights. Okay, so it is a simple thing. Non-decreasing is nothing but it is increasing order of the line. Okay, now, let this ordering is represented by the integer array expected, and where expected I is the exactly height of the student, of the ith student. Okay, so sorry, because my mic was not settled down here. So let's continue with the complete topic again. Okay, so let this ordering represented by integer array expected. Okay, so ordering to represent integer array. Okay, so there is a particular order which is represented by an expected. Okay, expected array, and expected I is the expected height of the existing. Yeah, it is a normal. Okay, so in this para we have conclude that there is an integer array of the height, and there we have written in a non representing increasing order, and the expected will be the height. Okay, now you are given the heights of integer. We have given the height array having the heights of the different students. Okay, now represents the current order that the students are standing in. Okay, so the heights will represent what? The heights will represent the current order of the student, that how students are standing, and expected will give that the how students to be. Okay, these are the students in current, and students have to be b. Okay, now uh, each height I is the height of the ith student in the line. Okay, in the line there is the height, student how the standing is represented in the height, and how it to be is presented in the expected. Now return a number of the indices where the height I is not equal to expected. Okay, that's simple, that here is height is given, output will ignore it now. Okay, height will be expected, what will be, we have to sort the array. Okay, now on the sorting, which the first one, first the, the third student is not at the place. Okay, also fourth and the fifth are not also place. So there are the three students, that is 2, 4 and 5 do not place, so count will be 3 and the 3 will be written again. Now 5, it is the how the students are standing. Now they are expected. Okay, so all are not matching. All the matches are not matching, so output will be 5. Okay, similarly here is that they are in a sorted order, expected to be also sorted, all are matching, so that will be 0. Okay, so now coming to the constraints. So there will the length of the height, so there will be any student between 1 to 100 in a line. Okay, and the heights of the student will be anything between 1 to 100. Okay, now this is what the description is having. Now continue with the boilerplate code that is given. Code section. Now, first of all, we have to represent a count which is used to store the what which is used to store. This is store indices value, not indices value, not supporting. Okay. Now, if the let's say are not supporting, now we have to expected array in expected one dimensional array and okay, and it will be new and length will be heights dot length. Okay, so here the expected array of the length the same as the height length. Okay, now I'll using a for loop int I equals to 0 less than equals to heights dot length minus 1 and then I plus plus. And what I will do, I will just copy the elements of the height to the expected. So we have created the same. Now I've used a inbuilt function arrays.sort to sort the expected output. So I will get that how the elements are there. Now I will use again one more loop that will be int equals to 0. Let's copy and paste it. Is 2 heights dot length minus 1 and then I plus plus as semicolon here, and that's it. Okay, now if heights heights I equals to heights j, not heights j, it's expected I. If height of the same listener, so you have to just count plus plus, no, we have to just continue. Okay, if it not, we have to count plus plus. Okay, so it will calculate that which are not expected and at last I have to return count. That's it. Ready to run the code. And okay, illegal is I is not. Let's check the code once. Yeah, everything is looking fine to me. Yeah, all the 3 test cases are passed. Now ready to submit the code. And on submitting the code, 2 milliseconds is the runtime and the memory occupied is 41.43 MB and biting percentage for the people is 90% and 90, yeah, and here is a 32.92% of people. So for today I'm done with this question that height checker, and the description is all fine, and here is the code. If you wanted to copy it, please copy, but I will insist you to please once see this video and after that try to write by yourself. Okay, code by yourself, and please don't copy the code. Try to copy or try to implement the logic what I taught you. Okay, instead of copying the code. So if you think that this video will help you in any manner, and you have learned something from this video, so please like, share and subscribe share this video and subscribe my channel. And it's day 22 for consistency, and tomorrow will be day 23, and let's meet tomorrow. So bye bye, and like, share, subscribe my channel and video. Bye bye.